Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to retweet on Twitter. Retweets are tweets you share publicly with your followers. They will see the tweet in their timeline with the retweet icon in your handle. Use retweets to forward tweets you love, news you want to share, or fun discoveries to your followers. Tweeting your own opinion is not enough. You need to retweet other people's tweets too. If you would like to know how to retweet tweets on Twitter, then just follow these steps. First of all, you need to know that you make sure that you're on Twitter. After that, you need to find the tweet that you would like to retweet. For example, this one. Now click on the retweet icon with double arrow at the bottom of the tweet. Now you have two options. Select quote retweet if you would like to add your own opinion, or just select retweet. I will show you the effect of both sections, but now first we are going with retweet. Now go on your profile and you will see the retweet that you have posted. Go back and, for example, this one, go again on the retweet icon with double arrows and go quote tweet. Now you have the option to add your opinion. For example, go retweet, go again on your profile, and you will see your retweet with your opinion. Thank you so much guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below. Have a nice day and see you soon.